What's up, Sassperallas? It's your girl Sassy J, and I'm back with another video. Yes, guys, I am back with another video, and this video is a Boots shopping haul, guys. Yes, I went to get my goodies from Boots, and let me show you how much. Oh my gosh, when I say, guys, it's a crazy big, huge haul I have for you today. It is huge. But before I go any further, guys, and I show you what I bought, yes, please go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get updated every single time I upload a new video. Okay, guys, so now that we have that out of the way, I have one disclaimer. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form by Boots, okay? Any way, shape, or form by Boots. Anyways, guys, let's just move on from that. Okay, guys, so the first item that I've literally got them all spread out here, guys, in no particular order, because literally I just had to empty the whole bag out because it's the easier way to do this. Okay, guys, so I went in with the Ferroglobin. I went 3 for 2 on vitamins, so I've got this one, 2 Ferroglobins basically, and these are the Ferroglobin Liquid Plus, and that's because I was told by the doctor that my iron level is a little bit low, and obviously I've got vitamin D deficiency, and I just wanted like an overall like vitamins. I hate taking tablets, so if you know me, you know I hate taking tablets, guys, so it works for me. All right. Okay, guys, so with the 2 Ferroglobin, because they've got 3 for 2, you know Boots most of the time have like 3 for 2s on their vitamins. I got the Evening Primrose Oil, which and the Boots version of what I got, guys, only because I just feel like it makes no difference whether you get like a branded one or a Boots one. So why not? Okay. But yes, guys, so that is that one. I'm literally gonna throw them out of the way, guys. I kid you not. I got tights. I tend to buy, you know what? A lot of people say to me, why do you spend so much money buying your tights at Boots? I do it because of many different reasons. One, I am lazy to go to Primark. Two, it's so close to me because I'm at work every day. And three, I actually quite like these ones. I really do think that they're actually really good qualities. There are some good ones in Primark, I must say, but I actually think these are good qualities as well. And this is a pack of 3, and I don't see why not, you know what I'm saying? So that is like a must to me because I tend to wear a lot of dresses and stuff like that, guys, so it's cold, and these are a little bit thicker. I think it's like a 40 denier, so it helps. Guys, my 3 for 2ers. I'm reaching, guys. If you see me like reaching over to my left, it's because I literally pour all the items out, and probably was not the best idea I had, but I'm gonna work with it. Okay, so 3 for 2 on cotton wool pads, and obviously I cannot do without cotton wool pads, and I prefer the oval ones, which is double-sided, and these are a little bit more costly. I think they're like £1 something. I can't remember, £1.79 or something of the sort, but I actually prefer them because when you buy the single face one, I feel like once you pour the liquid on whatever you put on there, it tends to just fall apart. But with this, you're kind of saving how many you use because you can use both sides. But I always take advantage of the 3 for 2 because it makes sense. Sometimes they have them for buy one get second one half price, but luckily when I bought this, it was 3 for 2. Okay, guys. So I also love my Dove. I kid you not, I love Dove. Guys, I don't have a bathtub, but if I did have a bathtub, I probably would have bought loads of the Dove bubble bath, but obviously it's the body wash. So I think I've got more than one of these, but like I said, I'm trying to go through what the stuff that I put here, and it's in no particular order. The Dove, like I said, I'm a massive fan of Dove, so I've got my Dove deodorant spray. And this is the invisible dry one because you know when you use a deodorant spray and you end up with loads of like white kind of things around your clothing and stuff. I don't like that. I got Sure deodorant. I always tend to mix up with you know, whether it be like Sure or Dove when it comes to my deodorant, and sometimes it just depends on how much it is really, because the Sure are like £1, I think. I got me some of these, and this is like hand wash, guys. So I got 3 of them. This is actually my favorite one when it comes to the smell of it, and this is the Polynesian Paradise one, and this smells so good. I don't know why I always get 3, guys. I tend to get 2 or 3 of everything, and I'm the only person that I live by myself. I don't think I need to but I still get it anyways, guys. So I got that, and I got the cotton clouds. So those are hand washes. And yes, guys, they are antibacterial. Thank you very much. So it's not just a nice smell, all right? It's not just a nice smell. I did also buy gifts as well, guys. So I bought this fragrance, and it's the Versace Urus, and it's a 50ml. And I did get a bag with it when I bought it, because you know sometimes they do the little offers. I think this is a rucksack, so I got that with it. I think whenever you buy like a 50ml and above, you get it for free. So I got that with it. I also bought another gift, which is a fragrance. Obviously, you know Christmas is coming up, so I got the Givenchy Gentleman fragrance in 100ml, and I think this is a really nice fragrance. You guys need to try it. I do love these two fragrances. You know what, guys, look out for my fragrance video, because I am going to do a video of all my favorite fragrances, because boy, the girl loves her fragrances. Yes, guys, I got these two, and these two was kind of like on a clearance kind of thing. And when I would say, when you go into Boots or Superdrug, always check the clearance area. I'm kid you not. This I got, and this is I bought it because I thought to myself, I'm gonna go to Jamaica at some point next year. So that is like a little makeup bag, and I got it for £4. And then I got the larger ones, my toiletries and stuff, and I got that for £10. And I thought to myself, beauty bags, toiletry stuff, you can't go wrong with it. I'm gonna need it anyway, so I might as well. I got more stuff on clearance. I think these washes, I got these washes, and these washes, I bought 3 of them, and they're Nivea ones. And I've actually never really used these before, but it's Naturally Good Micellar Face Wash. And these are part of the clearance stuff. Obviously, I moved the clearance stickers off them. I hate seeing the clearance stickers when I'm putting them away. So obviously, I did just start removing them. But these are stuff that I actually got off clearance as well. Another one, guys, of the deodorant spray, and this is a Sure deodorant spray. Like I said, I do mix my deodorants, whether it be Sure or a Dove. Guys, I did also buy this one and this one. Now this, I bought about 3 things, I think, from L'Oreal. Yeah, and these 2 I got off clearance. So I think, did I get all 3 off clearance? I'm not quite sure. I think I might have. I'm not quite sure. I've never tried their moisturizers, and I saw this one and I thought to myself, the collagen replumping day cream. And I don't actually have a day cream, and I thought, you know, they say black don't crack, but I thought with a bit of extra help, you know, it goes a bit further, you know. So I said, I'm gonna try this out, guys, and see how it works. I don't know, I'm gonna try it. This one here is the scrub. It's a L'Oreal scrub, and I got this from the clearance, and I got this also for Sure. I knew I got those from clearance. I can't remember what I got them from, because like I said, I've taken the stickers off. And this is a mask. It's like a purifying mask. And this one is a scrub. Now, I have tried the other one to this one. I've tried the charcoal version of this mask, and it's done wonders to my skin. Like, I absolutely love the L'Oreal charcoal mask. I'm not even joking. So when I saw this, I thought to myself, why not try this and see how it works? Because I've never tried this one before, but I thought I'm gonna give it a go. Okay, so bear with me. Let me go hunting again, because it's a bit further away this time. Okay, so guys, toothpaste. Obviously, I normally get more than one toothpaste. But I don't actually know whether I opened. Oh yes, I opened one because I was desperate. So I opened one. I think the one that I opened was a Boots brand, because I always get either a Boots brand and a Colgate or something. I'm not that fussy when it comes to my my toothpastes, to be honest with you. Yeah, but usually it's a Colgate or a Boots one that I get. And I got one of these as well, and this is a bio, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I think I got 2 of these, and this is part of a clearance that I got this as well. And this one, since I started using this, I've been using it on my face, and I've tried bio oil already in the oil form, and it did not do any good for my skin. Literally, I don't know what happened. It did not work for my skin. But I tried this one, and it's like a gel. It's like the newer form that they do. It's like in a gel kind of oil kind of format. I don't know how to describe it, but it feels so good, and it doesn't seem as oily, and it's like I feel like I can control it better, and I actually really do love that. I got me some of this, and I got the cream for it as well. Yeah, so it's the body butter and the body mist, and these are both Boost brands as well, and I'm telling you, this smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I haven't opened any of these yet, but I do love my body butters, and they were actually really good pricing, so I thought, why not? I think some of these things I just bought because they were just there, and when I walk around and I see things, sometimes I just get so carried away, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I think that this is a result of one of those days that I got carried away when I was shopping. I don't know. Also, oh my gosh, guys, I kid you not, I bought 3 of these. Let me see if I can find them because I've thrown them out somewhere. I'm sure I bought 3 of these. Micellar water from Garnier, and I actually really like these, and these are the 125 mils, and they do this in different sizes, and you can use this to remove your makeup from face, eyes, and lips. Yes, guys, it can be used for your eyes as well, because you know the eyes are very, very, very sensitive. But I actually use this. This is something I use all the time, and this, I think they had them on clearance as well, because I think the store weren't doing this size anymore. So I got these. I got 3 of them. There's one somewhere about the place. Oh, aha, I found it. So I got 3 of them, and I just thought to myself, you know what? I'll keep one of them for when I'm going to Jamaica or when I'm traveling, put in like a travel bag or whatever. When you want something small, do you know what I mean? So I'm definitely happy with those because it's something I use anyways. I might actually do like a routine, a skincare routine for you guys. I don't know. Should I? Let me know if I should. Deodorant. This was my first time trying this deodorant. And I thought, why not? It's a Nivea one, and it's the black and white, invisible one, and it's like literally transparent liquid. So I thought to myself, let me try that and see how it goes. I bought me some wipes as well. I actually bought 3 of these. I bought 3 of these, and I think I opened one of them to remove my makeup last night. And I don't know what I've done with it, but I bought 3 of these, and that came in handy. And that's the Boots wipes. It's actually probably like the first version that they did, but they still had them, so I just bought them anyways. Guys, I'm gonna show you something, and when I show you this, I want you to understand how much I love this. And this, I think, will be my new skincare, or my new facial wash that I use going forward. And I'm gonna try and use more stuff from this brand. Actually, it was one of my colleagues that actually recommended this, and I was always saying no, I'm not interested, like it's cheap, so it doesn't work. That's what I was always saying. And then I had a really bad breakout, and I kid you not, this tea tree and witch hazel, look at it, I don't know if you can see it. That is like a foam wash, and that is beautiful. It literally started to help to clean up my skin, and I have no regrets. And because of that, I started to try different things from the range. So I got the night gel because obviously I bought the moisturizer from L'Oreal, so I thought, let me try a night gel with it. I'm not quite sure if I like the consistency, the texture, or the consistency of this, but I'm willing to try it out to see how it goes. I also bought like one of the body scrubs as well, because I'm big on body scrubs. I like to exfoliate my body, and I do that at least twice a month usually, but at least once or twice a month, I'm gonna say. And I saw this one, and I thought, let me buy. I think they were on 3 for 2 when I bought them. I'm not quite sure, must have been, or some offer was on them, so I bought that. And then when I went over to the clearance, I saw this one, which is like a body polisher from can you see it? I don't know if you can actually see it. I don't know, guys, but yeah, somewhere like that. So I got that from the clearance section, and it's like a skinny dip. That's the name of the brand. It's a body polisher in peach. I think I must have got 1 or 2 of those. I cannot remember, but I actually like the smell of this. I've not tried it yet, if I was to be honest with you, but I quite like the smell of it. What else did I get? Lip balm. I got me a lip balm. I got 2 of these actually. I got the normal blue one, the blue packet one, and this one with a bit of a tint. Only because, you know, the cherry lips is like, oh, you know, oh. But yes, guys, so that, what else did I get? Is that it? Is that it? Is that it? No, it's not it. And yes, guys, I got me 2 of these ones, which I absolutely love the smell of, and they're Dove body wash. And this is the reviving one. And guys, when I say it smells good, it smells good. And I know they say you shouldn't use like the sweet stuff to wash your down there, but it's not like I'm going to use it to wash my down there. You know what I'm saying? I'm just going to use it on my body. Okay? On my body. And it feels good. And I love Dove. I just don't know. I just feel like Dove is just luxury. Okay, I do love Dove. And my final item is this one here, and this is a face wash from Soap and Glory. And I love Soap and Glory stuff. Do you know what? I'm actually looking forward to the Soap and Glory box that they do every single year, guys. I kid you not. I'm not gonna lie, I like to save pennies, so I will wait till it goes on clearance or an offer or whatever, because it works out better. Okay, but yeah, but yes, guys, I bought this and I've used this before. I love the beads in it. It feels nice. I think it was one of my friends that actually made me start using this, because I used to always see it, but I've never tried it. And I think when she was saying to me, oh, you should get it, and I normally would buy the big box with it, but I never actually use it. I used to give it to her to use, right? And then when she said to me, try it for myself, I thought, I'm gonna try it for myself. And since I tried it, I've actually really liked it. But it's quite expensive on its own, so it's not something that I love enough just to buy just like that at full price, because I don't remember how much it is. I don't want to lie about it, but I put the price there. But it was on an offer, so this is the reason why I bought it. And I thought, why the hell not? Why the hell not? And yes, guys, that was the last of my shopping haul from Boots. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. I might do another one, maybe like a Christmas version, like when I go proper full in Christmas gift shopping. Or I might just do a Christmas gift. Am I actually buying anybody any Christmas gifts? Nah, I'm just gonna give them love. I think apart from the 2 things that I bought, I'm gonna give everybody else love. So guys, if you know me, or if I'm related to you, or you're my friend, just know that I'm gonna wrap you up a nice big package of love that money cannot buy, and that will be your Christmas gift this year, okay? Okay. But anyways, guys, thank you so much. To the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. But before I go, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Hit that subscription button and hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time the girl uploads a new video. Okay. And yes, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. But for now, keep it sassy-licious.